I'm Noah from American Muscle, and we're looking at the Diodynamic Sequencer for the 2010 and newer Mustang. Now, sequencing lights are really cool, and usually they're reserved for expensive aftermarket taillights that need wiring. This sequencer from Diodynamics can actually transform your factory taillight functions from just sequencing only with the turn signals to sequencing all other functions like hazards, braking, and locking or unlocking your Mustang. So if that sounds awesome to you, then this sequencer may be a really cool addition to your ride. So these little guys do some really neat stuff. They're a pair of sequencer modules that translate normal light functions into sweet sequences so that you can stand out everywhere you go. Now the best part of these guys is they are plug and play and there's no wiring required, and they have a quick install. As far as construction goes, there's not much going on with these sequencers, and that's kind of the whole charm in itself. They're made with OEM grade plastic connectors and have embedded circuit protection for longevity. Overall, the design is really simple. The whole idea is that they just drop in with minimal fuss. There's no major complications or wiring needed at all. The only thing you need to know is that these guys do come with a 3-year warranty as well, which is going to cover you from any manufacturing defects. These sequencers cost around $100. That makes these sequencers a much cheaper and cost-effective option than upgrading to a full set of new taillights with these features. Considering that you could spend close to 10 times that price on sequencing function taillights, then these guys are a great idea if you don't want to shell that cash out. Installing these guys is super easy, and we're only looking at an install difficulty of 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it really should only take you about 30 minutes to get the job done. Next, here's an AM customer that's going to walk you through that install process step by step.
For this install, I have a trim remover tool set. Only really used these to kind of get around some of the trim pieces. You could use a flathead probably just as easily, and not really tools, but the trim pieces that you take out do get kind of destroyed in certain cases, so I have a few extras to replace those ones that might get destroyed. Otherwise, those are pretty much all you need. So to get to the taillights, you need to remove this back panel and the trunk, and you'll need your trim removal tool. These will just unscrew, but we'll get to these ones first. There's one on each side. We'll show the second one. Could probably use a screwdriver for this, but being able to get around the part makes it a little bit easier. Kind of just getting under it and holding, pulling. There we go. There's one of them. You can see it kind of got chewed up a little bit, but I'll probably use some of those replacement ones, clips to cover that a little bit. This will just unscrew by hand. That side too. I see that the trim is getting pretty loose. Let's move on to the other side here. And it's the same thing down here and up here. Came out a little bit easier. So now the panel is off. You can see the connectors that we're going to be working with here. Does not look like it is specific to either side, so you don't need to worry about that. Here we're going to unplug the old and just make sure that it is the correct side. There we go. Should just click right in. Other one should just click right in. And that's it for one side. For the other side, it's the same thing. We have our product here, the sequencer, to put the plug, the tail light, and the sequencer inside, and should hear the clip. Boom, that's in. It's with the hazards on. So with the key press, unlock and lock. So go ahead and open the trunk back up. And now it's just going to be reinstall the back panel. These clips should go right back in. Just twist them on. And like I said, I have some replacement trim clips. I'm going to install a fresh one because the original kind of got chewed up a little bit. Here we go. And then on the other side, same deal. It'll get a little tight and then it might kind of twist out of the thread, so just get it where it feels like there's tension on it. And then again, replacing this guy here. And this back panel should be all set.
That was the Diode Dynamic sequencer for the 2010 and newer Mustang. We have these guys in stock right alongside other parts that fit your Mustang. Remember, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.